The Boating Adventure Community Post Channel Update number 112. Well, a very good afternoon to you. This is just a short video to remind you that my next video will be published tomorrow morning. That's Saturday the 8th of March 2025 at 8 AM, and it's a video that I've made this week, and it's me visiting the Peak Forest Canal and doing yet another section of that canal. So just one more to go after that and I will have done all of it. So join me to look at that video tomorrow morning, Saturday the 8th of March 2025 at 8 AM. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your continued support. It's very much appreciated. So thank you very much, and as always, do take care.
In your eyes I find my peace. My love is true through every day and every night. Feel the love inside my heart. It's all for you. Every beat, every step, I know you feel it. You make my word complete. No one else side by side.